The Keen Women's Nxis Evo Mid Height waterproof fast packing boots are a stellar choice for women who love outdoor adventures. Designed for versatility and comfort, these boots strike the perfect balance between durability and lightweight functionality, making them ideal for fast-paced hikes and multi-day treks. One of the standout features is the Keen Dot Dry waterproof membrane, which keeps your feet dry even in wet or muddy conditions. The breathable design ensures ventilation, preventing discomfort during long hikes. The boots feature a mid-height design that provides excellent ankle support without restricting movement, a critical factor for rough terrains. The outsole, equipped with Keen's all-terrain rubber and 4mm multi-directional lugs, offers exceptional traction on a variety of surfaces, from slippery rocks to loose gravel. The EVA midsole adds lightweight cushioning for all-day comfort, and the contoured footbed molds to your feet, enhancing arch support and reducing fatigue. Aesthetically, the Nxis Evo boots maintain Keen's rugged yet stylish look, with options to suit various tastes. While these boots excel in most aspects, some users might find the fit slightly narrow, so sizing up may be a good idea for wider feet. Overall, the Keen Women's Nxis Evo Mid is a reliable and well-rounded choice for adventurous women who need a waterproof, comfortable and supportive hiking boot.